CDF dancer, can you please come on stage and have a photo with our...
Requesting once again our callers, dancers, fitness group.
Rodrigo, have the love of yourself. So, grab a picture. So, move. Like this. Yes.
Move up and step up.
Yan ang sinasabi ko sa inyo. Wala sa edad yan.
Yes, I
Diba?
agree more.
Parang feeling mo, hinihingal ka pero project ka pa ng project. Ganon.
That is what we call a real performer.
Okay.
In a count of three, has the best shot to our citywide dancers.
Yes, thank you CDF attendees.
CDF dancers.
Yes, mga attendees po sila ng Zumba.
Two.
With Ninja. So,
One.
yes. Let's support all the projects that are here. Beloved Kapatanan in Gallardo. Thank you so much. Thank you CDF dancer.
Isang masigabang palakpakan para sa ating mga dancers na hindi hinihingal at hindi tumatanda. Tama ko ba? At this point of time, we will be having now the formal competition of our 11 Mamita and 5 Papito. For this year's edition, search for Mamita and Papito